Hi friends, how are you? So welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'll be showing you unboxing and review of Baseus 3-in-1 cable. So I'll be showing you the looks and feel of this cable. So as you can see, this is a Baseus brand which is from China. So this one I have bought from AliExpress for around 60, I think so. So I just thought of reviewing this, so I just bought it. So let's unbox it now. So as you can see from the front, it shows a branding, and you can see the cable inside. It's a translucent somewhat cover, and they written here it is BSS premium makers, and it is a quick charge and the data transmission, and this is 120 centimeter length. So let us open it now. And also in the back you can see some hologram of BSS, so that it shows the originality of it. So let us open now. So it comes in normal simple packing. I just they are given a ziploc bag like it. So just get a cable in it. So let me keep the cover aside and show the cable. So this is the cable, as you can see, and the cable quality looks really good. And as you can see, there are three types of cable. Let me just on the flashlight and show you. Just a moment. Yeah. So just I'll focus it now. Let me show you. Yeah. So this is the normal USB cable, as you can see. Yeah. So this is the normal USB cable, and just let me off the light. And this is the USB type C, I guess. Yeah, it is USB type C cable. And the last one, this cable is for the iPhone charging purpose, as you can see. Sorry guys, I can't focus properly. I have some issues with the camera, so please bear with me. And also this side, this is the normal cable which you can use to plug into your power brick. Yeah. So, and over here you can see the Baseus branding, and that's it. And the wire quality looks really good, and this looks very good for direct transmission. Also the wire will last for a longer time, I guess. Okay, so from my opinion, it's a good buy for me. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel so that I can make more and more such videos. So thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.